Hello guys, we are from the fifth group. Now we will present to you our turn explanation about is the moon falling to the earth or not. But before we explain about it, let us introduce our staff. My name is Santana Roberto.
I'm Tina.
And the first will be explained by Gerhard. We start.
Okay, we will try to explain our topic today. It's about why the moon doesn't fall to the earth, or is that true that the moon doesn't fall to the earth? Okay, we will start now. I'm sorry if I stay on this chair. I have the pen. What will happen to the pen if I throw it vertically like this? Okay, the pen will fall back to the earth. And what will happen if I do the same action to this eraser? Okay, the eraser falls back to the earth. And so in fact, if I jump from this chair, what will happen to me? Sadly, I will also fall back to the earth. We all know it is about gravity. Gravity is a force of attraction. Occurs between all the particles that have mass in the universe. You ever look up for the night sky, there is one object just stay up there and doesn't fall to the earth. I'm talking about the moon. I mean, it is good that the thing with the weight 10 to 22 kgs doesn't hurting toward us. But do you ever think why the moon doesn't fall to the earth? Or is that true that the moon doesn't fall to the earth? To answer the question, we need to realize that the moon not just staying up there, but the moon also orbiting our planet or the earth. To answer the question, let's redo the experiment. Okay, I have the eraser. What will happen to the eraser if I throw it horizontally with the velocity like this? Okay, the eraser falls back to the earth. Why it can happen? Because I giving it initial velocity in this direction, but the earth continuously pulling it in this direction. So, what will happen if I take the same eraser, but I will throw it with a greater speed than before? Like this. The eraser also falls back to the earth, but after reach the longer distance than before. So, it is because of the gravity of the earth. If the earth doesn't have the gravity, what will happen if I throw the eraser with the greater velocity? Anyone can answer? The answer is the eraser will out from our earth because this earth doesn't have the gravity. So, everything around us will attract by the gravity of the earth. So, why the rocket came out from our earth? Because the rocket has the greater velocity than the attraction of earth's gravity. So, what is the similarity of my explanation with our topic today about why the moon doesn't fall to the earth, or is that true the moon doesn't fall to the earth? To make it clearly, let my friends explain it more to you. Thank you.
Earth has gravity, moon has gravity. Earth's gravity is bigger than moon gravity. But why it doesn't fall? Let me show you. This marble represents the celestial body. We know it has mass, velocity, and gravity like moon. This is space. We know it's vacuum, right? If the celestial body passes in this area, the movement like this. This will represent the Earth. Now, this space becomes the magnetic field of Earth. How about the movement if the celestial body passes in the magnetic field of Earth? Let's see. What happened? It made curve, and then it's fall. The question is, why the celestial body like comet had ever been falling to Earth, but why moon doesn't fall? It's because the comet can't fit its velocity with Earth's gravity. Therefore, it has not enough energy to withstand in space. Otherwise, moon can fit its velocity with Earth's gravity. Therefore, moon has enough energy to keep orbiting. Actually, moon have ever been fallen to Earth, but it fallen to the direction of Earth, not to Earth. It was proven when moon seems bigger. It means the distance between moon and earth are closer than usual. It's called moon has ever been fallen to it, but it has not reached the earth.
Okay guys, I will continue our explanation. An object acquires acceleration due to gravity because of that force of gravity on the object. Numerically, universal gravitation constant G is equal to the value of the force between two bodies of unit mass separated by a distance. And we can conclude that the formula is H equal G time m1 time m2 per d square, where H is a force, G is a constant, m1 and m2 are the masses, and d is a distance. Thank you.
Okay guys, just now my friends Graham, Ulina, and Jesse have explained to you about is the moon falling to the earth or not. So it's not perfectly right to say that the moon is not falling. Actually it is falling, but it is continuously missing the earth's surface because there is a gravity on the earth and also there is velocity on the moon, so that the moon is not falling. Okay guys, we think that's all about our